Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So, right now we're going to discuss the continuation of our discussion in business organization. So, we will going to angle on the relationship between business function. We know already what are the business function, right? So we have the marketing, finance, operation, IT. These are the vital business function. So vital means in the absence of this one, the others will cannot because they are cannot operate because they are interrelated. So let's have this one relationship between business function. So marketing, finance, operation, HR, IT, customer service. No, they are interdependent. That means one uh, take the help of the other. No, so the coordination among enhances the performance, customer satisfaction, and competitive advantage. No? So let's take marketing and finance. So the relationship. Marketing proposes campaign, product pricing, promotional strategy. Finance evaluates the cost implication and allocates. So one proposes, other will approve. So just like this one. Example. At Unilever, marketing teams create product launch plans while finance assess the profitability and allocates funds accordingly. So that's the interrelationship. Okay? The application is that essential for budgeting, promotional strategies, and forecasting revenue. Because finance wants revenue, marketing is the one that creates the money. Okay, the one that plan to create for the money. So another let's have human resource HR, but its interdependence with operation. So HR uh, operations, for example, need skilled personnel to manage production or service delivery. HR handles the recruitment, training, employee. So whatever the production says, the talent we want, the HR will going to look for that one, so that there will be a good result in terms of profitability. So example, so McDonald, no? In McDonald, HR team collaborates with operation, ensure staff are trained in food hygiene and customer service. So I see application ensures operational efficiency through effective workforce planning. So that's the interrelationship. Start citation. Now you'll have this notes is in the view already. Okay. So finance and operation. What's the link between these two? So finance sets budget for operations and ensures cost efficiently. Operations. When I say operations, these are the production also. Use operations for services, productions for the goods. So but operations and production synonymously, tangible or intangible. Okay. So here finance sets budget operation for operations for purpose of cost efficiency because finance wants a optimum expenditure, but operations provides data on production costs and resources needed. So it's up to the finance to check the pricing. Okay? Example in Toyota operations submit production forecast to finance, which then evaluates budget and cash flow to support manufacturing. See, there is a check and balance. And the interrelationship, finance, operation. You cannot remove one from the other for efficiency and cost effectiveness. Application, virtual, vital for controlling costs, cost control. Because just like even the car, if you don't have control, then people die, right? Operate company without control, it will collapse. It will have a financial hemorrhage. It lost money. So control. So that's why they put finance people there to control all the expenses, check all the receipts, uh, uh, check by the accounting. No? Now let's talk about marketing and operations. What is the interrelationship between these two? Marketing forecasts demand and, and customer preferences. Operations must align production schedules and inventory levels to meet demand. You see, operation have interest, marketing have interest also. Sales. Example at Sarah, so marketing plans are quickly related to operations, which enables rapid production and distribution. Okay? So you see the interplay of marketing and operations. Application important for just in time. So that means optimum supply, no? It's just in time. Okay, production and minimize waste, no? So that's the you don't have to deliver for stocking because in the warehouse it will spoil. We usually the supplier will produce the goods necessary if they are needed. Else they will not going to deliver. That is just in time. Okay? So in that way, uh, the uh, uh, the production can minimize na waste. What are the waste if there is a spare of supplies? Air conditioning, power, manpower, insurance, things like that. No? So these are big costs. No? Amalgamations of many small things will become a big thing. See? And manager doesn't want like that. Okay, they want an optimum. So they hire a optimization engineer no? To optimize everything, question everything. So they have a people that will going to monitor the waste, uh, fraud and uh, abuse. No? Usually the waste. No? They have a solicitor general also in the business, no? Monitoring the waste. No? Okay, and then this question, what is this one? What's the purpose of this one? You see? And in the meeting, the manager will answer. So the manager from then on will become aware because there is a solicitor general who's going to check everything. No? He will solicit questions, everything. Yeah, meticulous. No? Sometimes they call it compliance officer. It's another term, but function like solicitor general. No? And so example, relationship, IT and all department. IT supports all business functions through software, databases, and communication systems. Example, Tesco uses IT system to integrate inventory management, operation, POS system for the sales, and Azure platforms for scheduling. So you see, these are all, they were all ma- uh, customer of IT. See, all these things cannot function well without IT nowadays. No? So usually IT manage them through the system. Example, SAP, Baan, RSAS, SAS, no? Like those are the big system. Dr. Edwards, no? Usually those are the big system that connects all these functions. And IT manage that, the reports, the checking. Yeah, IT can check also when they stop operation because they monitor in the computer, no? Whatever, when you log in and log out in the computer, it records there. No? Whatever you have done, record in the database. So if there's a problem investigation, the IT record shows who is the last touch. You see? So IT is also a what we call evidence based. No? If there's an abuses, okay. So all of them actually uh, protecting one another from the waste and abuses no? Of the company resources. No? Application. Improve efficiency, data analysis, and communication across departments. So communication is the name of the game. No? So speed, email, databases, program, uploads, collections. So All of them now is via IT. Things like that, no? Ordering from supplier, vendors, things like that. No? So IT can support that kind of needs, no, of the organization. So let's talk about customer service and all function. So customer service relationship, customer feedback helps marketing adjust campaigns, inform operations about services issues, and assist HR in identifying training needs. No? So because customer service are the one that receiving complaints, feedback of the abuses, no, or negligence, or whatever what they call irresponsible act, no, of the employee towards customers. No? So customer service uh, helps to improve the system actually. So that one, okay. If there is no complaint, that means the system is okay. The fact that there is a complaint, so the system is have to be refined or tuned. So that means the the safety net is not foolproof, no? So they have to do something else, no? Correct, amend the error, no? Check the error, no? And correct. Example, Amazon uses customer service data to improve logistics operation. Example, the storage and delivery. Amazon, no? Because they are logistics, no? Logistics company. Recommend changes, marketing, refining, training, HR. Maybe the people is not good in telephones or manners, no? Like this one. Or relaying information. So people have to be trained, no? For capacity building. Application key for continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Otherwise, without customer satisfaction, the company will lose the customer. So all businesses they cannot afford to lose customers. So they have to follow the what customers. As they say, customer is king. Customers is always right. That's true. Because if they refuse to buy, so what will happen to the company? They go to a competitor. So the company then pretty soon will close because they don't change their customer service, their attitude. No? It's like that. No? So usually it's more an attitude. Or yeah, it does. Okay, that's all for today for the relationship of business function. So next meeting we will discussing other part of this business operation. So thank you for attending. So bye for now. I'll see you soon.